What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
Guys, hey, it's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing knotless boho braids for the first time. This is how I got my hair section off, because when it comes to box braids, I feel like I'm not the best at them. So we're gonna do this the crochet method. It's still gonna give off that knotless look. I just sectioned off all of my hair. Here are some of the things you're gonna need. So I'm using this. Any type of braiding gel, braiding or lock gel will work. This is from Eayon Naturals, and this is their super rice water and biotin hair. Got a braiding rack, and I got this off of Amazon. And I had some of this too, y'all, for a detangler. Detangle my hair so well. We cannot get started doing the video without a huge shout out to Eayonhair. They sent me this hair, this human hair. I have 3 bundles of the hair, and this is in 20 inches. So this is the hair. It's 2 bundles right here. And also, so I have 2 types of braiding hair. I'm not sure which I want to use, what I want to use. This is free tress braid. I always get the pre-stretched hair, and this is in 18 inches. But I also have this expression hair, and this is in 38 inches. This is pre-stretched as well. Also, I also have some nail glue, which when I finish, I'm gonna knot my hair and I'm gonna put some glue on it. Also, I'm gonna show y'all one more thing that I have, which I am using, and that is this 3-way mirror. I got it. It looks so ratchet. I got it hanging on my ceiling fan, but I'm gonna probably put it. I'm just gonna do my hair in here in the living room, you guys. But this is how I have this hair sectioned off, guys. Human hair, synthetic hair. So what I do before I put the hair on there, I get some of this, put it on my hair, and you can put it on there as you go as well. So I found it easier to take the end, and then I'm just gonna place it under there, put that end on there, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then I like to make sure that is even, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, I have my hair, so I'm gonna borrow a piece from that, from the 2 strands, and then I'm gonna make a 3rd one, and then I'm just gonna braid. I'm gonna start braiding, and then I'm going to take the hair. I have my 3 strands. It's easier when you turn the hair. Like doing the front of your hair, to me, is always easier than doing the back. So I'm gonna take this strand, take this curly hair, I'm gonna place it on one of the strands. I'm gonna take this, tuck it somewhere, and then I'm gonna start finishing the braid. And I'm gonna add like 3 strands. I ended up going with the African collection hair. It's just easier to manage. The free tress hair, it had a weird texture and it kept getting knotted. So I'm gonna braid a little ways down, and then see how I got the hair. I'm gonna keep it separated. I'm gonna grab another strand of the curly hair, and I'm gonna take it, put that one over there. I'm gonna tuck that other piece, and then I'm gonna start braiding again. If it start messing up, you can use a clip, or I just do this. A duck clip will work fine too, y'all. Mine are downstairs. I don't feel like going to go get them. And now I'm gonna add that third strand. Add that third strand. Tuck it away. Okay, now I'm gonna take all the hair that I just did, tuck that somewhere, and now I'm gonna grab the hair that I want to go at the end, because I don't want it like this. So I'm going to make sure I got the hair separated, but this time instead of tucking it away, I'm gonna add it to one of the strands and then just braid a ways down however long I want it to go. And then I'm gonna knot it off. So I want it to be curly. So I'm just gonna keep braiding, guys. Now I want the curl to still be out, so I'm gonna stop in a minute. So I'm gonna stop about right here. I'm gonna take out some of the hair, about that much. I don't take out too much, because the bulkier it is, the harder it is for the knot to stay. So I'm gonna make sure it's tight. Then I'm gonna take my nail glue. You can use any nail glue, whatever nail glue you want to use. I'm gonna put a little bit on there to kind of seal it, and there we go. And then so y'all see I got that little part sticking out right there. I'm gonna take that little part and I'm gonna cut it just like that. what's up? So I'm back and this is the finished look and I really like it. It literally took me all day. So again, this is the packaging. A huge shout out to Eayonhair for sending me the hair. Now I want to show y'all how much hair I have left. This is how much I have left, and then y'all, I have a whole another 2 bundles. So this is their water wave in 20 inches, and yeah, and this is their 10A double drawn Burmese hair. So if I ever decide to do this style again, I have a little bit more hair left. And what I did was I just went in to make it look fuller. I went in and put hair underneath the knots, but this is what we got, you guys. I am so excited. I really like it. I am going to be going to Vegas in a few days, so this is the style I'm going to be wearing. This is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like from the back. And for reference, I am 5'3". Love this hairstyle, you guys. I went to a wedding last night and I just threw it up in a bun. But yeah, you guys, all the information will be down in the description box below. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, if y'all want to check it out, you guys, you can use this method. If your grip game is not that strong, I highly recommend using this method because I wanted to do the knotless method. So I don't have any knots, as you can see. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks so much for watching, guys.